Okay, the final video I'll be doing is creating queries, and I've got up here my full database that has all these columns and integers and text as the data type. Come down here and I want to see my database. So what I do is I select all, again using capitals for what SQL knows about, and the star is all, from, and music. And there it is. I've got all my lists. Now one problem with it is they're all in no particular order. So what I'm going to do, because it makes sense for me, is I'm going to order by this column here, which is date. So instead of finishing there, I'm going to go order and date. And now you see that it starts with 1972 and finishes with 2016, which is one way of ordering it. I could order it by song, which would get the song titles in order. Let's try that. There we go. It starts with Birdland and finishes with Superstition. Now I can't really order by two things unless I go and then, but we're not going to worry about that. I'm going to keep the date because I like that. It's more important to me than the song. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a particular search which has a criterion. So, and I'm going to just have the columns song. Whoops, I need to start with select song, comma, and composer. Whoops, got to spell it right, or else it won't find it. And instrumentation. From, music, where, and then I want all the songs done in 1977. So you go date equals 1977. Now you need quotes and close quote and semicolon, and let's see what it found. It found Birdland, Chameleon, Fantasy, September, and Got to Get You Into My Life. It was a busy year, at least for the songs I like. Okay, and my third one is I'm going to select a particular word from one of the columns. So I'm going to select all, from, whoops, spell it correctly, music, and then where is another keyword. And I'm just going to check my information because where instrumentation is like. Okay. So where instrumentation, and then you just go like, and then you do this funny one here which you can copy. You do a half quote and then you do a % sign and then you write rock or whatever you want to do. Now you can pause your video and carefully copy this out if you like and see if that comes up with anything. Okay, and it's got quite a few things there. And here's the one that contains rock. See, there's a rock band there, then rock band, rock band, rock band, rock band. Okay, so if there's something in a particular column that you want to isolate, you do a like command with these funny things here. Okay, and that basically means forget about the stuff that comes before it and forget about the stuff that comes after it. We're only interested in that section there. Okay, and they're the three things that you need to do to pass this section. I'll write it up if I haven't already, and you'll see the instructions on your sector assessments. Thanks, bye.